Kansai International Airport, Japan. Kansai International Airport, built on a man-made island in Osaka Bay, is an engineering marvel that combines functionality with aesthetic beauty. Designed by Italian architect Renzo Piano, the airport's sleek, wave-like terminal mirrors the flow of water around it, symbolizing the harmonious relationship between human-made structures and nature. The airport's curved roof, constructed from lightweight materials, allows for natural light to flood the terminal, reducing the need for artificial lighting and giving the space an open, airy feel. Its location on the water also provides stunning panoramic views of the bay, offering travelers a peaceful respite from their journey. Inside, the airport is just as impressive, with modern interiors, efficient layout, and cutting-edge technology that make transit smooth and comfortable. Kansai's design also takes sustainability into account, utilizing natural ventilation and solar power to reduce its environmental impact. With its architectural brilliance, Kansai International stands as a testament to Japan's commitment to blending technology, design, and environmental stewardship.